Hey guys, Daniel here with TechWise. I recently wrote a blog about the benefits of using Google Shopping campaign. You may be asking, what are Google Shopping ads? Product-based ads that contain a variety of relative information such as your product image, price, promotions, discounts, and much more. Your ads are shown at the top in a carousel for both search and image results, and also have a dedicated shopping page. Users who visit your website are likely to purchase. Once these users come to your website, you're likely to see website analytics such as your bounce rate and average page views improve. It's going to help with your SEO and pay-per-click campaigns. Most people like visuals, so seeing a product image is going to help them click onto your ads and drive that average cost per click down. Unlike search ads, there's no need for keyword research or keyword bid optimizations. So contact TechWise today. Help set up your shopping campaign and bring your business to the top.
Taking your business to the top.